Do you love Minecraft but want it to look cleaner and more beautiful? The default HD resource pack is perfect for you. This texture pack keeps the original Minecraft style but improves the graphics by making everything look sharper and more detailed. It's great for players who want better visuals without changing the game's original look. The default HD resource pack gives blocks, items, and the world a high-definition upgrade. The colors are more vibrant and everything feels smoother. It works well for both survival and creative mode. Whether you're building a castle or exploring caves, this pack makes the game more enjoyable. One of the best things is that it's very lightweight. That means even if your computer is not very powerful, it can still run this resource pack without problems. Installing it is easy. Just download the file, put it in your resource pack folder, and activate it in the game settings. The link to this texture pack is in the description below. If you're looking to keep the Minecraft vibe but want it to look modern and crisp, this is the texture pack to try. It doesn't change the game too much, just improves what's already there. Try it now, and enjoy a better Minecraft experience. The link to this texture pack is in the description below. Don't forget to share it with your friends too. Remember, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Download and enjoy your upgraded Minecraft world today.